I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my
Say welcome to the Kool Zone.
Make me feel so great. Make me feel so
There we go. Tell them it's going to be amazing.
It's going to be amazing.
There we go. Look at that. Big time. You heard it, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kool Zone. Today is another segment with Cooking with Lily. What are we making over there, kid?
We're going to make sweet and spicy shrimp and pineapple rice.
All right, let's see what we got.
I find myself blinded by the prism of the world's light, but I can see past the blight. These are blemishes in small sights. The overall picture bigger than us, but in this world we trust materials we lust. But still, what? I just want to be a superstar, yeah. The flash from the bright lights and cars high. These things make you feel good.
All right, let's do this. We're throwing these pineapples in here, more pineapples. We already have our onions and peppers in there. Once we get that all set, we're going to throw our shrimp in there, stir it up, and then we are going to put our peppery sauce on top. And let me tell you, folks, it is going to be amazing. There we go. All right, shrimp. Alright, we're going to stir that all around. Alright.
I'm on top now, bitch, I'm like the steeple. Please come pray for him. I ain't got shit here to say to him. Scientifically, only my DNA can make something sound so gifted. See? I put the words to the beat. It's just that simple.
Add our sweet and spicy sauce.
I let you hear the important shit. I had a rough path, my tears unsupported this. It's not a rough draft, one shot, one chance. But everybody wants the finer things in.
Make sure we put all
I
of
just
it
want to
in
be a
there.
superstar. See, I just want to drop the top off.
What we doing over there, kid?
Good.
But it won't mean shit when I'm gone. But I just want to be a superstar, yeah. I just want to drop.
And while that's over there cooking, what we did over here, we put the rice in here. For the beginners, we do the boil in the bag. So if you're a beginner doing rice for the first time, which my daughter is, the boil in the bag is the best thing for beginners. And then of course, you know, you work your way up to the regular steps and we'll take it from there. But here you go. Ready, we have our rice done and we have this right here looking done. And as you can see, it looks
Amazing.
there we go. See, people finally catch on. It's hard work. All right, next is the building process. Stay tuned.
I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Put them diamonds in my chain, won't take the pain away. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah.